this is the supposedly what I want you to share. I want to make a random checking. At least maybe I will pick at least 10 of you because I want to know either you can follow me or not. So that's the method. I want you to share your screen. Make sure in your screen have this reference, okay, and also this your floor plan, grid line, and then I want to see. Boleh? Alright. So I will pick 10. Who are the lucky 10 for today? Okay, Syafiq. Boleh share screen, Syafiq? Can you share your screen, Syafiq?
Boleh, sir.
Boleh. Tengok sekejap je. Bukan apa pun, nak tengok je. Either I just want to know, I want to measure you can follow or not. Okay. Alright, good. Okay, good. Thank you, Syafiq. Alright, next. I want Aisyah Nabila. Aisyah Nabila. Saya tengok dulu Syafiq.
Sekejap.
Jom. Syafiq. Lepas tu Aisyah Nabila. Ya, boleh?
Nampak aku.
Sekejap. Okey. Zoom out sikit, Tengok gambar sebelah. Cantik rumah nak. Cantik rumah dia. Cantik. Okay, thank you Aisyah. Next. Lagi pula. Raisun Fasli, Ikwan. Wah, Ikwan dengan berkopiah hari ni. Masya Allah. Ada nur di situ. Dengan berlatar belakangkan baruknya. Come on, Wan. Share screen sikit, Wan. Lanja sikit, Wan. Payung sikit, Wan. Okay, umbrella sikit, Wan. Oh, ya Allah. Comel ni, Wan. Masalah dia tak ada elevation lah. Nanti payahlah kau nak buat nanti ni. Ada elevation tak? Ada gambar elevation tak? Tak
ada.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, Ikwan done. Okay, next. Kita punya Miss Recording. Miss Recorder, Hanan. Please, Hanan, tengok sikit. Share screen sikit. Oh, cantik dia punya ni. Background. Okay, zoom out. Zoom out sikit. Okay, zoom out. Oh, okay ni. Cuma dia tak ada grid line lah nanti kita boleh tengok copy grid line. Dia tak ada elevation ke? Oh, ada. Watching. Oh, dah pandai dah on off layer kau. Dahsyat. Wih, banyaknya reference. Zoom out lagi sikit. Oh, ini biasa lah ni. Ini tempat cantik-cantik lah. Okay, good. Dengan cursor kuning dia. Kuning. Mana kuning? Okay, thank you. Abang Ariel Zafrel. Harith.
Ada sekejap
Okay, jom. Standby. Nama kena petik terus share screen. Oh, baru dia pantas. Masya Allah, baru dengar tasirah. Okay, good. Wah, dah ada elevation, dah tahulah nanti nak buat macam mana. Okay, bagus. Bagus, Harith. Okay, next lagi. Siapa dia lagi ni? Sat. Izzah, ya Izzah. Can you share your screen, Izzah? Boleh. Berapa ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, come on. Jom. Hari ni kita akan buat elevation.
Sedap.
Okay, kejap Belum nampak. Boom.
Screen sharing pause.
Start sharing. Tak ada pun?
Kenapa? Kejap.
Okay, cuba ulang sebelum.
Share. Okay.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Izzah. Okay. Siapa lagi kat sini tadi dah perempuan, laki pula lagi laki. Syifa. Ya, Syifa.
Ya.
Jom. Tengok sikit.
Nampak ke?
Sat. Zoom out sikit. Okay. Oh, dia pakai main kaki tu. Kaki ke meter tu? Dia punya-
Mana?
Cuba zoom dekat gambar tu.
Meter.
Oh loh, dia main meter kau. Okay. It's okay. Nampak okay. Lagi. Heba. Heba, can you share your screen, Heba? Are you able to chase? Because last week you are left behind, right, Heba?
Yeah, not all actually.
Okay, it's okay. Just want to see. Can you share your screen? What is your progress? Then I can evaluate you. How far you left behind, or how far you can catch us.
Mm,
Okay, try.
okay.
Okay, try.
Actually, I'm still.
Okay.
just
Okay.
practice
All right.
the-
You are okay. Good. So this
Yeah.
the dimension is correct, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, the scale.
The scale it's according to the scale. Can you
Yes.
type DI and then you try to measure one wall there? Any wall?
Okay.
DI. You click D. You type DI. Okay. Then 1 point to 1 point. Okay, that point. No. Okay, it's okay. No problem. Oh, good. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully you can
Yeah, finished.
push your nose button. Okay, hebat dah. Siapa lagi lelaki? Lelaki Rajulun, mana dia? Talibun, mana lagi ni? Siapakah Talibun yang bertuah? Syafiq tadi. Zul. Kita tengok sahabat kita yang sedih tadi. Cuba tengok Zul.
Okay, sekejap.
Alright, jom Zul. Okay ni Zul. Grid line tak ada? Grid line.
Tak boleh lagi.
Tak buat lagi lah. Okay, so nanti grid line. Cuba zoom all tengok sikit gambar rumah. Oh, dia tak ada elevation Dia tak ada elevation tapi hopefully you can imagine. Okay, Zul. Okay. Last one volunteer. Siapa nak? Last one. Siapa volunteer nak share screen?
Sir, saya boleh, sir?
Dawa. Alhamdulillah. Silakan Dawa.
Ya.
Marvelous. All right. So I'm satisfied. With your progress. So from all that 10, why 10 senang I buat percentage. 80 to 90% of you is able to follow the lesson. Alhamdulillah. Syabas beta, syabas beti. Tepuk tangan sikit. Okay, so let's continue for today's lesson. Okay, I'll share the screen. Okay, so today we are about to make an elevation. But before we make elevation, first we have to draw the roof. That's the process, because we cannot imagine how our elevation is when there is no roof. Okay, so hopefully you all know how to design a roof. Okay, I understand the most challenges part when you design a roof. That is why most of you, to make it short, to make the story short, you just design a flat roof. So that is why I always see there's a lot of flat roof. Try to, because in Malaysia, flat roof is not really practical because of our weather. I'm not sure if you are in Mediterranean country, no problem, But in Malaysia, we have a lot of raining, so that's the problem when we design a flat roof. Even if you see even if you see the flat roof, let's say this is the elevation, This is the elevation. Even if you seen the elevation like a flat roof there, like my design bomber, but normally if we make a section, okay, this is the ni, okay, and then there are macam ni lah, there are scaffold drain here, and we start to make the roof like this. This is the ni. Okay, and then dia akan start dengan dia punya structure kat sini. This. Nampak kan? Okay. So that is why from far you see it's look like a flat roof, concrete, but actually it's like this. But there are also flat roof like this, flat roof, totally concrete flat roof. But believe me, after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, it will be cracked. And then after that, it will start to leak. That is why when I was in JKR last time, I was involved in one project, Parliament. Okay, I don't know either have you been there before or not. Parliament, Malaysian Parliament. You see this picture? This is all flat roof. Nampak tak? As you can see, this all is flat roof. And what happened when I was in JKR? Okay, there are one after this building. How long already? It's long already. Okay, then there are one contract just to repair this roof because there are leaking problem. Because as we learned last time in geography, I don't know either you take geography or not, the characteristic of materials like concrete, even stone. Okay, during the day, it's exposed with the hot weather, it will shrink and dia mengecut. But during the mengecut tu mengembang, but tapi dia mengembang mengecut lah. We grow and shrink. Grow, sink, grow, sink. Then after that, that is why after some time, it will crack. When the concrete will crack, it will create leaking problem. All right. So, in order for you to the basic principle, I want to share with you the basic principle of designing a roof. Okay. Start with this square one. Okay. This is plan. Okay. When we have this plan, just a normal roof. So we start to make 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, like this, and then it can continue like this. Okay, this is simple roof. Okay, so just imagine it's a good drawing lah. I'm not really good in draw using a mouse. Okay, so this is basic. So if you have this, so you see the roof is like this. Okay. Like what you did when you draw the Baiti Janati kan last time. You take a line here from here kan, and then this is the wall line. Okay, this is the wall line, and then you draw the wall. Kan, last time kan. But okay, then start to how to have a apa ni? Subproof. We call it subproof. Subproof means a roof born from the main roof. This is the main roof. First, you have to determine the main roof. So this is the main roof. Okay, tolong co-host admit Dayat. Okay, let's say in our plan. Okay, I make another here. This is plan. This is plan. We have something like a balcony. Can we have a balcony? So we have to have a subroof here. Okay, subroof. I put green color. So we start to draw line 45 degree, 45 degree, and from here 45 degree, 45 degree, and then this one will be connected like this. This, dia akan sambung kat sini, sambung kat sini. So this is the first subroof. So here, if you draw the elevation, okay, this is the line, pump, pump. So this is the wall. So you have a first subroof. Okay, then how if there are lagi another, okay, I tukar lagi, ada lagi kat sini, ada lagi kat sini, pump and pump. How? So you make it easier also like this. You draw. Okay, I change the color of the roof first, green. Okay, so you take line 45, 45 from here, and then it can connect direct to here, pump, pump, Palm here, and then go here, and then go here. Nampak? See how the roof connected. This is the second sub roof. It connected. So that is why later on, when you draw this roof, it no longer have this line. This line is no longer exist. So this is the new roof. Palm, 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 and palm. And then palm. Nampak? You see? Then you can start to hatching it. Nampak? So this is the basic designing a roof. Faham? Okay. You see this? Kalau korang tengok ni. So if the roof is designed like this, so this is the design. It will be slanted at here. But if I design, okay, let's say I erase this. Okay. Then I continue it like this. Palm. Okay. You see the difference from the previous roof? So later on in the elevation, it's already like this. And. Faham tak? So that's the difference. Okay. Either you want the edge of your roof like this, okay, or like this. Okay, you can see it from the front. Okay, this is from the front. Okay. So this is the roof in the front elevation. From the front elevation, this roof also similar, but this one is different. Like this, you can hatch it like this. Because the folding is go down here. Kan? But this one, the folding is go here and go here, and sometimes here we put something like a tebar layar. I don't know what it's in term in English. We put it a tebar layar. That is why sometimes you can see wood louvers. They put it here for the ventilation. Okay, am I clear? Clear tak? Are you all clear about this roof? Faham?
Yes.
Okay. Kalau faham, bagus. Senang aja orang budak-budak pandai ni. Cakap sekali faham. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Keep up the kepandaian. Okay, so now, okay, now let's start to design our roof. Okay, like this. Okay, you start to, first you have start to determine. Okay, from here, you start to determine where is the main roof. First you start, kita panggil ibu bumbung lah. The main roof, where is the main roof? The main roof always be the larger portion. Okay, like this, I can get a sample here. Okay, from this, okay, from this, where is the main roof? The main roof is this. This is the main roof. And then there are sub roof, and from this sub roof, another sub roof. Faham tak? Okay. Okay, so mari kita buat. Okay, let's say I want to design this again. Okay, so from here, there are main roof there. Okay, so I think Tom. Okay, so this is the main roof. Pang. So this is the main roof. Okay, so the main roof, then you put 45 degree. Okay, this one. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, to make it more logic. It must start from edge, like this, kan? Okay, it must start. Okay, like this. Yeah, this one. Okay, I will take the line 45 here. Okay, this one. Okay, let's say, and then this one, this is the line. Okay, maybe I put one column here later on, and then it will start here. So this is my main roof. Okay, so this is my main roof. Okay, you have to determine the main roof first. Okay, it's okay. This one is okay later on. Okay, from this main roof, ada anak roof. Anak roof tu kat mana? Here. And this one. Nampak? This is the subroof yang kedua tadi, the second roof. And then the other one is from here. Palm, palm, palm. Okay, this one you can continue here. This one sampai sini. Okay, and then start to go up here. Dia sambung sini terus. Like this. Okay, so you have to sketch first your roof. Okay. Later I will show you. Okay, so this one, kat sini another subroof here. Start from here. Okay, and then kat sini. Okay, then you have your roof already. Then sambung. Okay, you see, start from the main roof. So start from the main roof, and then it will beranak. And then from the main roof, it will create the sub, and subroof. Please, for this task, I don't want to see any flat roof. Okay, you try to design a pitch roof. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Good. You want to see first? It's up to you. You can see first how I design the roof here. Okay, so that the design. So I start to draw a line first. Okay, for this. Okay, I will create the roof sini. No roof. Okay, if no roof here, then we can create new layer. New layer. Okay, new layer here. Okay, roof, color. Let's say yellow lah. Yellow, and then okay. Alright. Layer, this is the layer, and roof. You can change. Okay, continuous. Okay, you can change the name, but that one later on. Okay, you see how I design it. Okay, I draw a line first, straight line. Okay, start from now, roof. Okay, again, roof. Okay, then you have to change this. RO, you have to rotate this here. Select the point, and then type 45. See. Okay, then you can start to design, to put it at the edge of the wall. Okay, edge of the wall, because this is the main roof only, right? Yeah, it's off the auto. I put it here. Okay, and then I start to copy. Kat mana lagi? Okay, if not, I will rotate it and I on the auto. And then can move this and I. Okay, then it must be located, because this is when you want to put the structure, it must be on this one. Here. Okay, and then okay, kejap. Okay, here. Okay, supposedly, and then this one, and then this roof must be parallel here. Okay, here. So this is the ni lah. So this one, UMI it, mirror it. Okay, here I put it here. M. Okay. There. Okay, if you not put it like this, later on it will not connected. This one here. Okay, then here, I see the line. Okay, I draw the line first. Okay, line here. Okay, this is my line. Okay, here. And then another one. And I Okay. And then I put it here. Tadi ni. Here, here, dekat sini. Tu. Okay, then how? CHA lah, chamfer. Okay, chamfer. Arm. CHA chamfer. Chamfer. Okay, then this one later on will be connected straight line. See? And then as for the H, the H we just follow because last time the H is we put 1000 kan. So it's okay, just put 1000. Sama, similar. Okay. Yeah. 1000. Okay. Okay, that one later on. Okay, and then this one you can CHA it, CHA. Okay, CHA. This one also same. 1000. CHA. CHA chamfer. Okay, this one you can delete because this is only a reference line. Okay, it must be like this. So this is my main row. Okay, just okay. I just connect it first. Connect it to here. Okay. So this is my main row. Okay. So this is the main row. And after you design a main row, you must have your sub row. As I mentioned to you earlier, my second main row is from here, right? Okay, I just can copy this because this is same. CO. I take it and I put it here. Okay, mana lagi? And then one more earlier. Here again. Put it here lah. So this is the second row. Okay. Jadi kalau macam ni problem ni. Macam ni problem. Okay. The case. Sekejap. MI. Okay, this one. In. Then you see HA. So this is my row later on. So when I connect it, just connect to here. So this line later on no longer exists. So TR. Tada, faham tak? So that's why later on the roof is from the elevation later on. Jadi macam mana dah? Jadi macam ni. This is the elevation later on. Ni macam ni lah. Okay, so this is the elevation later on. Okay, now we have a problem to connect this into here. Or else. Or we can move it further to here. Sini lah. Kita letak depan sikit. See? As long as it's pressed on the beam lah. Yes, we extend it. We extend this line. Next. But tak logik. Okay, if tak logik, if we just take this, and then EX. Okay. This is more logic. CO. Okay, this one fall to here. This one fall here. And this one fall here. You have to know where is the roof fall. Okay, this one go here down. This one down. This one down here. And then this one is supposed to be here lah kan. How if we put it here? Meanwhile, you also can try. You also can try. We do it together. So because the basic principle is only like that. Yeah. Take one.
Offset dekat tepi tu memang kena buat
Mana? Offset kat tepi ni. Boleh? Memang kena buat. Because
yang garis. Oh, kena.
Jangan guna yang drawing sedia ada. Okay, if it confuse you, you may off this layer apron. Apron you can off it first. So see. Okay. You must have this offset because later on this is considered as your roof plan. This is your roof plan. Okay, now I try to design this.
Right.
Okay. This is the best thing of designing a roof. Something challenging. Okay. Okay, this one no problem. I think this one you just create one subgroup here. One subgroup here. For this one, we offset say 1000. Okay. Okay, forget about this first. We try to design a loop here at the back. CO. And then
Sir,
Ya, ya, ya.
diet dia tak boleh masuk sebab dia elektrik rumah dia tak ada.
Oh, pula dah kesiannya. Alright.
Okay.
Nanti suruh dia tengok yang recording session.
Alright, sir.
Alright, thank you. Okay, kat sini. Okay, this one, kita tak nak dia ni, kita buat macam ni lah. Kita bisa ambilkan kat sini. Okay. Dayat rumah dia kat mana? Ingatkan Sabah Sarawak je ada masalah macam tu.
Sebab rumah dia blackout.
Yalah, dia kampung dia kat mana?
Kat
Bukit Rimau.
Ha?
Rumah dia kat Bukit Rimau.
Melaka.
Shah Alam.
Oh, Shah Alam. Ya Allah. Mengalahkan Sarawak. So this is my second subgroup. Okay, then I continue. Chamfer. Then you have the center line. If your center line is not connected, and then it's problem lah. It must be connected. And then 7,000. Tu dia. Then so jadilah second group ni. So this is ini kita kat sini. Set 1,000. Oh, lebih lah. Ini 1,000. That is why it must be accurate. If not, it will not. It will not. See, 1,000. Nampak? So we have to move here. Move this to here. So this time we can do this. It must be accurate. Then we can trim this. Okey, cuba korang design dulu macam mana korang punya bumbung ni nanti Boleh Nanti kita tengok macam ni. Hello, Assalamualaikum Kurdi. Hello. 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 Hello, Assalamualaikum Kurdi. Hello. Ni saya yang kontraktor yang pasang tu, yang pasang apa tu? Pasang awning di dekat depan tu, dia mau pinjam apa ni? Scaffolding tu. Hello, dengar tak? Dia pinjam. Boleh pinjamkan tak kejap? Dia pakai pasang putus-putus. Kurang jelas, bos. Okey, sebab saya call WhatsApp kejap. Hello, Kurdi dengar tak? Hello, Kurdi dengar? Okey, itu Bangla, dia mau pinjam scaffolding. Kau tolong pinjamkan kejap. Dia pakai dalam sejam je. Boleh?
Sir, you are muted. Ke? Sir, mute ke?
Rasa saya tak dengar sebab saya tak pakai earphone dia.
Iya ke?
Testing. Okey, jom. Sorry. Ada gangguan sikit tadi. Okay, so kita kena design the roof. Kita kena design the roof. So if not, then we have to change the point. Okay, change the point. Change it here. And so this is the point. So, we have to make the main roof bigger. So easy. Name CHA um, so this one no longer exists. Okay, you see or not this one? You want to connect this, right? Okay, this one. You see, ni problem ni. Di kalau macam ni problem. So what's the problem here is this. It's not here. It's to be here. Okay, kat sini. Sini. Ini kat sini. Lalu kita gantung. And it will be on. Salah. CHA on. Then baru connect. Tada! Well, like this, logic. If it's like this, then it's logic. All right. Then this one, CHA. Okay, here. This one. Here. Center here. Just extend this line, extend it, and then here. So this one no longer exists. Dah siap dah benda. Okay. This one. Wait. Sebenarnya problem ni kenapa dia begini. Mencari punca dia. So it's supposed to be like this. So if like this, you just can trim it. Okay. But we lost the drawing here. So we just redraw the line. Okay. So pun salah. Okay, siapa yang dah siap bumbung lah? Anyone completed the roof design?
Belum lagi saya.
Belum lagi. Okay, jom. Tepat. Kita buat sama-sama. But everybody understand, right? How to design a roof. Betul kan? Atau ada yang still blur? Still don't know. First, you have to determine where is your main roof first. Your main roof must be bigger. Must be the biggest part. Oh. Baca pertama sebab ada ring kat sini. Right, if that's the case. Okay. So this is my rule. Okay, so how? Then we have to copy all of this. CO first. Or else you can off first because you want to block this roof, right? Okay, or else you can off this first of the grid line. This is the good thing of AutoCAD. You can off the grid. Off. Okay. You just left the roof. Wall also you can off wall. Okay, you can off so the door. Okay, there are also one more type how to off, just like this. Okay, until only the roof line is on. Okay, you tag whatsoever you can off, or you can off. Only remain, only left the layer wall. See, this is easy. Okay. So if you have drawing like this, means you are completed your roof design. Okay, but this is still not complete because as if you want to draw a roof, it must have we call it because this one is you may open the reference. So before that, you save as first this drawing. You save as therefore drawing. Therefore save as therefore drawing save in the Dropbox. And then you can refer to the drawing here. See this sample. Continue open drawing. Okay. You see, you go and find the roof plan. Okay, you see, this is how you draw a roof plan. You see, This is the line. And then you have this. So you have to follow lah. You have to follow exactly like this. Okay. Then we work on that. Then it's fine. Then we just offset. Offset, let's say 50. Look at the center here. What is the VI? 200. 200 means 100 to 100. Okay, so offset 100. Offset, 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 offset left and right now. Offset left and right. That is why important if you draw a line in CAD and then you put it on layer in layer, so you can easily turn on and off the layer. Dah Yus, settle? Ada puan hati jadi? So this is the roof. Then you just use the same technique, same for. Ada kata apa-apa tak dia? Dia tak kata apa? Use. Puan Khadijah tak kata apa-apa. Dia just. Itulah. Kita claim dia bayar berapa kan? Kita ada hantar claim reimbursable kan? Kita ada hantar claim reimbursable kat dia kan? See? Jadi kan roof kan? Okay. Ini pun sama. You just chamfer. You just chamfer it all. Space. Space bar. Nah, siap dah. Okay, for the converting done. And only now is the one lah, you have to trim lah. You have to trim. Okay. And this one you have to extend. Extend. So that extend TX here okay. This one actually problem, but it's okay because it will take time if you want to investigate where's the mistake. But the good thing is actually if you can have like this one perfecto. This one perfecto. At the edge of the knee, I can have this. It is perfecto. But this one, not perfecto, but it's okay. Just I want to share with you how to draw. As long as you can get the roof shape, that's the objective. You can get the roof shape, then it's okay. Then we can draw the elevation. Okay. Or before you turn on, maybe you can block it first. Ya, ataupun nanti dulu. And then I want to. Okay, so semua boleh. Okay, buat dulu. I'll give you 5 minutes. Then after that, we will try to hatch this.
Sir, kalau bumbung tu tak ada offset boleh ke?
Macam mana Wan? Tak ada offset macam mana tu Wan?
Kan tadi saya letak offset kan, tapi
Cuba share
tak
screen
letak
tengok.
offset.
Apa masalah?
Tapi
Cuba share screen tengok.
Ya.
Dia sepatutnya memang kena offset. Kalau tak nanti bumbung tu betul-betul, kalau tak dia jadi macam ni tau. Kena nak share screen. Kalau korang tak offset, the reason why we offset it because I share the whiteboard. Okay, earlier, if we, this is elevation, elevation. If we don't offset it, later your wall is like this. This is your wall, Ikhwan. Problem. That is why we have to offset it 1000. So this is your wall line. So this one, that's why we have to offset. Normally for the each of roof, normally for the most practical is around 2 feet. 2 feet means 600 to 700. But me, I always go far, like 900, 1000, 1000. I put just 1000 offset. Okay, cuba offset. Cuba tengok share your screen one. Okay tak? Jadi tak bumbung kau?
Yep.
Cuba share screen sikit.
nampak tak sir?
Belum lagi. Ikhwan Rofi has started screen sharing but still black out. Cuba stop share balik and then share balik. Kenapa dia black out? Ada yang ada masalah ke? Ada yang tak dapat nampak rupa bumbung lagi? You still can't figure out how is your roof shape?
Dua lagi sir.
Okay, good. It's okay. Man lah, Ruwaida. Man, Ruwaida. Mana man? Tak dapat pun.
Ya, saya silap. Okey, nampak tak sir?
Okay.
Yang bahagian sini.
Mana bahagian mana tu?
Yang bawah belah kiri. Saya tak tahu macam mana nak buat. Jadi macam
Okay, kejap Apa masalah bumbung Cik Ikhwan ni? Okay, dia dah ada ni roof. Okay, good. Okay. Kejap. Okay, Wan. Untuk Wan bumbung ni sebenarnya dia lebih cantik macam ni Wan. It much more better and easier if this line ni kan started at here. Started at here.
oh ya.
And then the other one, then follow balik the line tu kan, then go like this. Alamak buruk dalam lukisan. So nanti later on, it will be like this. Alamak. Cuba zoom sikit lagi. Okay, clear. Zoom besarkan sikit. Zoom Okay, oh, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, like equal case here. If I were equal, if I design equal kan, okay, I will put the line here. Alamak. Janganlah lari. Okay, zoom tadi balik on. Zoom balik on. Zoom balik macam tadi, besar tadi. Zoom besar balik sikit. Zoom sikit. Okay, dah cukup. Hands off. Okay. Okay, let me sketch equal row. Okay, I start the line is here. So take this line here. So later on, the other roof is here. Faham tak? Yang ni tak adalah. Then 1000 tu start from here, and then the other one ni kat sini. Dekat sini. Jadi later on your roof ni dia akan jadi macam ni lah. Ni dia akan macam ni. Faham tak? Jadi yang ni tak payahlah. Jadi your final roof later on, your final roof will be like this. This, here, and here. Faham? Faham tak? Baru dia comel, baru dia logic. So sekarang ni Ikhwan, kalau Ikhwan nak buat macam ni, okay lah. So later on, kalau kita tengok daripada, if we take a look at elevation from here, so later the roof will be like this, and like this. Kan? But if you don't want to have this, and then you can delete this, and then you can just make a straight line here. So this line is no longer exist. This one also don't have. So your roof later on will be like this. This one tak ada dah. Ni elevation yang kau kena tenangkan kepala lah. Okay, Wan? Faham, Wan?
Alright.
Okay, cuba tengok belakang. Belakang, go to at the back. Go at the back. Back, belakang sikit, atas sikit. Tengok, turun bawah. Okay, this one simple, straightforward. Good. Asanta. Okay, any other friend want to share their screen? I want to look at your roof. Ada tak? Okay, go. Share screen, please.
I didn't get it.
Ilya. Okay, apa dia Ilya?
I didn't get it. How to connect the roof.
Okay, share your screen, please. Boleh share screen, Ilya? Masya Allah. Ang buat apa ni? Okay, senang ini. Okay, sekejap ya. Okay, cuba zoom atas sikit, naik atas sikit. Okay, naik. Cukup. Zoom atas sikit. Okay, stop. Okay, if I were Ilya, I will design the main roof. Okay, see, first principle is we have to determine which one is the bigger area, which one is the biggest area. So if we look here, so this one is the biggest area, right? Wait, I draw first. So this one is the biggest area. Am I right, Ilya? Betul tak? So take this area as a main roof. Means later on, so you will take the, okay, so wait. So later on, this one nanti dulu, jangan buat double line first. You make a single line first. Okay, you make a single line, palm, and then you rotate it into 45 like this, and then you put it at the edge of, saya ingat dah pula. Sekejap lah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, you put it at this edge of the wall here. Okay, 45, you mirror 45, mirror 45, mirror 45. And then you connect it, you connect, and then because here we can see there are potential 3 subroof, 1, 2, and 3. Faham kan? So later on in this subroof, Ilya tambah lagi 45. 45. Kat sini pun 45. Ini boleh sambung. This one can connect. This one. Okay, so your roof later on, okay, I did it on. So your roof later on will be like this. Wait. Dia akan jadi macam ni. Okey. Ni contoh. Okey, dia akan jadi macam ni. Dia jadi macam ni. Okey, macam ni, macam ni, macam ni. Dia akan sambung offset 1000. Lepas tu dekat sini, ambil di sini, sini, here also. And then will be like this. Connect here, and then this one will be like this. Sini pun kat sini, sini. Okay, sini. Okay, so yang ni dah tak ada dah. Kejap. Nah, siap pun Roh Ilya. Siap dah. Okay, then determine lah yang ni pergi sini, yang ni pergi sini, yang ni akan pergi sini, yang ni nanti akan pergi sini, ini nanti pergi sini, ini nanti pergi sini, pergi sini, pergi sini. Boleh tak? Settle.
So the center will not connected.
Is it? Okay. Let's start. Okay. Can you delete all this line, green line? Can you delete this line first? Green line. Okay, delete all.
Semua.
Delete je semua. Siapa nyanyi tu?
My brother.
Oh, sedap ini. Ada penghibur, bagus. Okay. Okay, delete. Okay, delete, pump. Okay, I will request a control here. Request remote control. Request and then please allow. Okay. Alright, let's go. Pam. Okay. Okay, lambat. Okay. Okay, dia macam ni. L. Okay, buat L line A. Line. Pump. Okay, and then I rotate it to 45. RO, pump. 45. Pump. Ui, what? Jom tu. Okay, sebentar. RO. And then specify the point here. And then 45. Okay, so 45. Yeah. Okay. Then we take this point, this line, and then we bring the edge of the edge of our main wall. Okay. Okay, now I want you to do it, Ilya. Okay, you copy that to every single point ataupun you mirror. You mirror it. You mirror that line, the green line. You mirror it, mirror MI. Pergi kat mana-mana je. Itu yes. Okay, letak je. Dan tarik ke bawah. Okay. Jangan kena on ortho. On ortho. Kan senang. Okay, pump. Okay, push. Okay, then copy pergi dekat ujung H kat situ. Ambil, bring the line M. Okay, ambil yang mana-mana, tak kisah. Jangan ambil ujung, ambil tengah-tengah je. Mana-mana. Okay, kat situ pun go. Copy to the H. Tu. Kat situ. Ngam. Center ngam. Bagi cun-cun. Kena on off ortho dulu. Kalau tak salah ni. Dah hilang.
Hmm.
Okey, letak di situ. Bukan. Kita ngam-ngam kat situ. Cun, pom. Okey. Okay, then line tu, click to both of that line, click both line, click the one, and then mirror to the other side, mirror. MI, okay, pump, and then there pergi sana. Okay, klik kat situ. Okay, go there. Pergi ke kanan ke kiri. Auto on auto. Okay, macam tadi. Jangan pergi situ, jangan klik. Ulang semua. Ulang semua. MI, mirror, MI. Okay, pergi dekat mana-mana kat tengah tu. Okay, there. Klik. Go to left or right. Pergi ujung-ujung, keluar je. Okay, no. Okay, then copy dia. Copy dekat ujung tu. Copy. Bring that. The line. Yes. M. Pump. Okay, copy. Pergi dekat ujung. Yes. Center. Cun. Okay, pump. Pas. The other one. The other one there. Okay, there. Copy ke sana. Ujung. Okay, Cun. Okay. Try join. CHA. Okay, pergi dengan ujung yang sebelah. Pergi ujung sebelah. Itu land tu. Itu. Bukan. Yang ni sebelah ni. This one. Bukan. No. Not that one. The other one. This one. Dia ada yang dekat sebelah. Sekejap saya noted This one. This line. Ni. Yang tu. Yang ni. Ni dia. Okay. CHA first. Okay, pergi situ. Okay, and then CHA also. CHA again. Space. Okay, pump. Pergi situ. Tada! Nah. Okay. Boleh tu. Cuba connect. Sambung tak? Cuba connect. L. Tekan L lagi satu. L. Tekan line. Okay, pump. Okay. Situ pergi sampai situ. Kan jadi tu? Okay. Escape. Okay, then next kita buat subroof. Subroof tu yang macam saya tadi lah. Copy the same method to the roof kat sini. Kejap. Siap. Copy sini. Lepas tu sini. Pergi sini, nanti dia akan sambung kat sini. Yang ni nanti dua ni dia akan bersambung, lepas tu pam je kat sini. Cuba ke bawah sikit lagi. Ke bawah. Okey, yang kat sini buat line up. Dah. Stop. Okay, yang kat sini ni ambil copy line kat sini. Letak copy line kat sini, lepas tu chamferkan dia. Lepas tu nanti offset 1000 kan? Offset 1000, dia akan cantik bersambung tu kalau semua 1000. Dia akan cantik semua. Kat sini tadi yang macam ni kan? Yang ni macam ni. Yang ni semua 1000. Jadi kat sini nanti dia akan keluar sikit. Dia keluar sikit. Dia macam tu. Okay, so nanti bila dah bersambung kat sini nanti, bersambung kat sini, ni dah boleh. Cuba buat lah. Cuba buat. Tadi. Copy je yang lain tadi. Okay. Kita copy. Jangan klik ujung. Yes, center. Kita nak senang center. Okay. Dia betul-betul center tau. Kalau tak nanti dia akan lari. Okay, go. There, right. Yeah. Okay, so next. Mana? Mana? Good. Yes. Boleh copy kat situ. Yes. No. Situ satu, one. The other one there. No. Dekat sini. This one. Ni kat sini ni sini. Situ. Okay. Betul. Yes. Okay, and then mana lagi yang akan gunakan yang sama? Ni sini dan sini. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there, tengah. Make sure tengah. Okay, good. Okay, mana lagi? Tak ada kan? Okay, then we mirror and then copy back macam tadi. Tak ada dah. Okay, escape.
Mirror.
Escape dulu. Escape dulu. Escape first and then mirror. Okay. Click that line. MI. Pump. Okay. Okay. Klik dan tarik ke bawah. Tarik ke bawah. On auto first. Okay, choose. Okay, and then move it to the center. Pergi. Kena center tu. Cuba zoom. See? Touch the center line. Okay, then go first. There. Betul-betul kat tengah. Bukan. Lebih sikit. Lagi. Yes tadi. Yang petak tadi. Bukan. Pergi lagi. Tengok. Zoom. Zoom. Zoom in. Zoom ke depan. Lagi. Betul-betul kena ada. Yes. Betul-betul kena. Yes. Boleh tak? Apa? Tak boleh. Bukan. Yes. Lagi. Copy di atas. Copy that line. Copy. Tadi macam tadi. Macam tu. Yes. Klik. Copy dah. Atas tu je. Ni this one. Okay, pump. Tak. Klik je. Okay, stop. Okay, boleh pergi atas? Ni boleh. Copy kat sini. Ni kat sini. Okay, copy. Cun. Alright. Okay, then. Pump. Okay, good. Okay, then pergi sebelah mana pula? Go to the other side there. Okay. Klik kat situ. 2 line there. 1. Pump. The other one, down. Now we chamfer. Kita chamferkan dia. Okay, accept. Then chamfer all. Chamfer first yang ni dulu. Yang ni dulu senang. Chamfer yang ni dulu. Chamfer this first. Right. Okay. Okay, yang tu later. Dia one. Okay, boleh. Chamfer. Bukan. Chamfer. Okay. Dia akan hilang. Okay, wait. Escape. Go back. Control Z. Okay, this one we have to trim. Faham tak? Trim. Okay, cun. And then you draw a line here. Draw a line first. Bukan trim. Escape dulu. Escape first. Okay, you draw a line. Center. Okay, pump. Go there. Cun. Then you can delete this. You can trim this. This line. Trim. Pump. Okay. Okay, then mana lagi? Go for yes. Trim yang tu. Trim and chamfer kan. Okay. The other one. Chamfer. Belum tu. Chamfer. Okay. Line. Draw a single line. Okay. Home. Ujung ke ujung. End to end. Kena tu. Okay. Alright. Then go to the other subgroup. Tak payah. Okay, go to the other subgroup. Tu. Chamfer kan? Okay, for those who are already finished their roof design, you can start to do the elevation. Okay, wait until after I finish with Iya, I will try to do the elevation. Okay, now you have to offset every line there. You buat satu offset 1000 lah, senang. Let's say 1700 or 900. Make one single line and then you offset and then you can continue. You continue all this. Okay, let's say this one, right? Okay, this one. Okay, you have to offset, let's say 1000. Okay, 1000. And then you start to offset all 1000 and then you can start to connect all the roof. You can start to connect all the roof edge. Ah, ya. Boleh?
Okay, okay.
Cuba buat dulu. Cuba buat dulu offset tadi. Okay, offset 1000. Offset 1000. Offset deadline 1000. Okay, 1000. No. Belum lagi. 1000. Belum lagi tu. Okay, escape back.
Belum.
Escape first. Escape. Dan O. Type O. Space. 1000. Okay. Space. Offset that row. Deadline. Click. Go. Nah. Then chamfer. That line to the line. Then to the other one. Similar concept for all. 1000 left, right, 1000, and then after that you chamfer. Roof Ilya ni cantik. Roof Ilya will be a perfecto roof. Okay, try. Do the similar process like earlier you did. Okay. No. Line first, okay. Okay, pump. Okay. Macam Ikhwan tadi dah complete. Okay, Ikhwan, you may start to draw your elevation one. Like how you draw the Baiti Jannati Sam, but in AutoCAD. Okay, chamfer. Okay. Everybody can follow Ilya did. Okay. Mana lagi ya? Boleh buat. Cuba buat satu line yang sebelah kiri tadi ya. This line. Okay, this line. Oh yeah, okay. This one. You draw one line and then you offset it 1000. Go, try. Buat line dulu. Okay. Cun. Okay. Kita tarik ke bawah. Okay, there. Okay, and then escape. Offset 1000. Pump. Chamfer. And then the other one there. Got there. The other side. Pump. Chamfer. Pump to the other line there. Nah, perfecto. You can delete the extra line there. Yeah. You can delete that because no longer used. Okay. Then similar concept. Go. Do a line and then you offset it and then you chamfer it. Go. Similar concept. Macam ni lebih senang lah. Baru saya tahu korang faham tak faham. Okay, go. Try. Okay, go, good. The rest can follow, 1000. Okay. Okay. There are shortcut, but it's okay. I don't want to confuse you if I teach you the shortcut things. You do it manually. So later on, after you achieve the certain advanced level, you can do your own how to make it shortcut. It's up to you. Because how to make it shortcut, the theory, I give you the theory. I always draw the polyline first. Polyline, and then I offset the polyline. Boom, automatic, done. But it's okay. We do it one by one. Okay, go there, good. Okay. Cun. Okay, offset. Belum lagi tu. Escape first, escape. Okay, go. Yes, okay, Cun. Okay, before that you pergi kat sana dulu. Yang kat sana. This one. I think boleh tu. This one nanti dia akan bersambung ni kat sini. Boleh tu. Sebab yo ini okay, semua ni dia clear. Okay. Cuba. Nah, Chun. Okay, one how? Macam mana tu ya? Boleh je buat line terus sebab dia ngam tu. Cuba draw line dia terus kat situ. Because sama je nanti 1000. Perfecto. Okay. Sana lagi sana. Escape dulu. Then line balik, space balik. Okay. Nah, perfect. Okay, so you can trim. Tak apa. Kita buat trim tu kemudian. Kita sambungkan dulu the line, all the line. We connect all the line first. So later we trim. Escape first. Okay. Jadi one there. Okay, good. Pump. There. Okay. Escape. Those who have completed their roof design can start to draw the elevation. Okay, chamfer. Sana. Perfect. Chun. Okay, the other one there. Buat line dulu. Kalau saya buat je line because we already know it's already confirmed. You just can trim and then you can draw a line. Jangan run. Okay, you will just draw a line from there to there. Line. Okay, from there. Okay, go pump. Go to that. Yes. Go. Connect. Ta-da! Okay, chamfer. And then trim. Boleh? Situ, yes. There. Siap ada pun roof. Okay, then inilah kita kemaskan lah. We finish it lah. Finalize it. There. Belum lagi siap depan tu. Semua dah terror buat pitch roof ni. Boleh Chun. Okay, Chun. Okay. Now you can just chamfer to the angle. Chamfer. Not that one. Okay. Pump. Okay, the other one there outside. The other side there. Okay, that one chamfer to that line. Then. Kan. Tu. Okay, dia ada. Itu boleh buat line je. You just draw a line. Because I can confirm that is already 1000. Cantik. There, go up there, pump. Line. And then now you trim all the balance line. The extra line you can just trim it. Siapa baru masuk ni? Fahmi. Okay. Save, jangan lupa save, lepas siap. Okay, one, control. Okay, thank you Ilya. Ada lagi masalah? Okay, so I think everyone has solved. Okay, you can stop share because I want to give the theory of how to draw the elevation. Okay, so since we already have our line, okay, now I want to share with you how to hatch. Hatching, like when we hatching. So there are also one type of hatching in AutoCAD. How to hatch this area. So you have to type H, and then it will be appear this H. Okay, pick. Okay, if you want to pick, you can use this first. Okay, when you hatch, okay, there are many corak, many pattern. Okay, for room, normally we always use this. Wait. Okay, then we can adjust it here. Scale. Yeah. So 100. Plus don't equal to use. Yeah, yes. Bila kita nak hatch, kita nak adjust dia punya tu, kita adjust ke mana? Sebab AutoCAD baru ni saya tak pilih sana. Nak kita hatch, hatch, kita letak sini. Kan kita dah pilih dia punya pattern. Okay. Kita nak adjust ni kat mana?
Oh, guna dekat sizing.
Ni sizing. Tak jadi.
Kena tak besar tu.
1000. 100. Tapi ni bukan roof. Roof selalu kat mana? Roof selalu mana? Oh ni, this one AR shape. AR kan. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, luckily I have a hero. So we have to adjust the scale here. 500. See? Okay, let's say 100. You can play. Still too big. Okay. Until it look. Nampak? See? Okay, how the process to hatch here? First, you can escape. H, pump, H, space, and then you can select. Okay, like this, the angle is not proper kan? You can change the angle. Yeah, okay, you can change. Okay, 90. Pump. See? So that is the H. Okay, and then what are the principle of hatching? The line must all be connected. Then the line must be all fully closed. If it's not closed, let's say like this, I show you. Okay. Okay. Like that. Okay. From far, you see that this line is connected, but actually it's not. Then this one, you will have a problem with hatching. The hatch cannot read cross boundary. Okay. So you must have a closed line. Everything must be connected. So there's no place for open. Okay. So let's say we hatch again. Pump. Okay. This one, I will use the same direction lah. I will use the same direction here. 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 Lagi mana lagi? Okay. Then finish. And then go back hatch. Okay. And then we have change back. Go to 0 back again here. You can adjust at the scale and angle here. Okay, then 0. And then pump. Nampak? And then you can change the color. You can change the color. Okay, go back to home and then to the layer. Okay, maybe this one you have to create a new layer. Create new layer. And then roof height. Hedge. You make it color like letaklah color apa pun, color belacan color. Okay, and then you pump, and then you can close. Okay, so you can select all the hatching, and then you can go to the home, and then you select the hatch on the roof hedge. Pump. Nah, siap dah kau hedge. Oops. Nah, settle. So this is the roof edge. Actually, for let's say you want to do like last time when you draw a Baiti Jannati kan, toilet kan, you draw the toilet, you want to hatch the tiles, right? So you can use this similar concept, hatch, pump, and then you can find here, find the pattern here. Macam mana kalau tiles. Okay, let's say we want to use this. Pakai. So you can use. Okay, then you can adjust the scale here. 100. Enter. See? Senang tak? Rather than last time you do it manual kan. Pong, 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 pong. So in CAD, very, very, very simple. All right, so that is hatching. Okay, so now delete this. Okay, let's off this layer ni lah, because you want to draw an elevation. Okay, so now we on everything. On. I forget only how to. You have to turn on this. Okay, I will just give you one example of how to draw a one elevation. But before you draw your elevation, all your roof design must be completed. So you know how your building will look like. So I will put this. Okay. Since you already have that, so the concept is same. Okay, you just like what? Okay, this one I can off first. That one I can off. It's distract the view. Okay. So you can start to draw the line first, line. So this is your roof line. Okay. S. S is stretch, S is stretch. Okay, like last time lah. Like last time you draw you draw it manually. You have to draw the line first, right? So for the line, okay, this is the wall line. The wall line. Okay. Okay. And then how to stretch that? S. S, you can type S. Okay, then you have to draw one platform level here. Don't bother about the layer, as long as you get the line. Okay, so let's say this is the ground line, the ground. So okay, you can imagine here there are 1, 2, 3 steps. 3 steps means 3 times 150 is 150, kan? Okay, you start to raise up the floor level. Offset 450. Okay, so this is your line. If you want to draw the staircase, you just draw. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, here. Okay. And this is your column kan. Okay. First, you have to determine the floor. Okay, so this is ground. Okay, so this is the floor. And then you can determine what is the height of your floor to ceiling level. Let's say I want to create 3,500. Okay, 3,500. So I can offset it. Offset 3,500. Pump. So this is my floor to ceiling level height. Okay, so this is my column here, my column. And then there are another column here. Right? Okay. There are another column here. Okay. You may start from bottom to up or top to bottom. But normally I always start from bottom to top. Okay, so here there are 2 stairs. So 2 stairs, offset 150. Okay, 150. 1, 2. Okay, then I can start to trim. Okay. Trim again. Okay, so that is the stairs. Okay, ada lagi stair, there are another stair here. Offset again, 150. 150. And then I trim it again. So there is my stair. Okay, so from here there are one sliding door kan? There are sliding door. Okay, then you can copy. Okay, open back the library. Where is the library? Library pump. Buka library. Okay. Okay, let's try to find the door. Door. Ya. Okay, no door here. We open another library. Okay, no. Elevation. Hey, tadi buka. No, this is window. Okay, try. We just use this. Okay, copy this, Control C, and then we go to our plan here. Even though it's not the same, maybe mungkin lah sama tapi copy lah copy tu. Okay. Actually, to make it more proper, we have to draw the line lah. We have to draw the line. Copy lah. Select that, select that. That's a control. Example. And then there are window here kan. And then open again. Window. Where is window? Ada tak window? There are window in our library here. This is the window. Then if not, we just can copy from this one. Kita copy from here, Copy from here. Okay, this one. Let's see. We can delete this. Yeah. We can copy. Let's say I want to copy this window. Control C. Control V. Okay. Normally window, this is our floor kan. Normally what is the level from floor to the window? 900. Let's say normal offset 900. Pump. Here. Pump. Okay. So that is the level of our window. Ini sangat. Since maybe this is a long bay window. Long bay window means from the floor 600. Let's say 600. Macam itulah contoh. Okay. You may try to find any appropriate ni lah. Appropriate. Okay, here another window here. And then you could copy CO. Another window here. Okay. So that's only the elevation. Now let's try to design the roof. Okay, for the roof, similar concept. Okay, we first determine what is the pitch of our roof. what is the slope? Okay, if this, I think it's only about 30. Contoh lah 30. Okay, then we draw a line. We draw a line. Pump. Then similar concept with earlier. Oh, close. Okay, escape. Stop. Oi, apa mau start? Oh, right. Okay, so we slanting this line. Rotate. RO. Pump. Select it. Pump. Then 30 contohlah 30. Pump. So that is the pitch of our roof. Okay, you just get this. Okay, take this line and then go to here. Kan, kat sini kan? See? Bisa kan? Okay, contoh. Okay, then copy lah kat mana lagi ni? This one, ada line satu line kat sini. There are one more line here. Then you can draw the line here. Pump. Then you can copy also. Pump. CO. Pump. See, right? Pump. Then mana kat sini? Here, right? Then here. Pump. This is the problem if the roof is have a defect. This is the problem. Like Ilya's roof area is perfecto. So you can exactly put the line at the edge of the roof. So for me, maybe like this. And then, okay, this one also you can to determine how is the height of this roof. Where is the end of the slanted roof? You can determine it from this line. Okay, you take this line here, pump, then you draw a line. Okay, means your roof is only up to here. TR, trim it, pump. So, okay, kejap. Okay, there are also one more roof here, pump. Pump. So later on the roof will be connected to here. Nampak tak? See? Siap dah. TR. Okay, so we try to trim it lah. Faham tak? Okay, so basically that's the only elevation lah. Kan? And then once you have the form, you can start to trim the line. Okay. Ta-da! You have seen the shape. Kan? You have seen the shape. Then this one you can start to trim lah. Trim here. You can delete, and you can trim. Okay, you can trim. Tuh, simple kan? Very, very easy, I tell you. You can trim. Lagi apa lagi? Where else you want to trim? Delete. Lagi ni. This one you can delete. Siap lah tu. Ini you can delete. Siap. Okay. So of course you can detail it up lah. Okay, if you can refer to this, there are like a coping there. You can always detail it, like what you draw it in the manual lah. Okay. So you just can take a look at this example. See, must have a double line. Okay, don't draw a single line because if you draw a single line, it's not really look like complete. So always for roof here, you always can draw a single line. Let's say 150 ataupun offset 100. Say 100. Okay, nampak comel sikit kan? It will look more proper lah. So this one. Okay. And then you can chamfer. For this one, you have to trim. You have to trim this to this. See? Kan, cantik kan? Then this one, for this, okay, there are two types here. Either you can draw like this, you want to draw like this, again, want to draw like this. You always can refer to the example if you're confused. This one, see? So that's how. That's why I give you the example. You can refer. One. Dah siap bro. Okay, and then for this one normally, okay. Siap. Okay, normally we put a fascia board here, right? Okay, so you can offset. Fascia board is normally 150. Let's say 150. This is our fascia board. Nanti you all make it more detailed. I just give you the theory first. Okay, I just give you the theory. Okay, this one is the fascia board. Okay. So this is the fascia board. Fascia board. Dengan ke sini. Okay, then you can start to trim. Okay. This one you can start doing this. Tada! Siap kan? Okay, ni lain apa What is this? Okay, this one you can so because you have siap pun front elevation. This one also you can hedge. You just hedge, or maybe first you have to choose the layer first, roof hedge. Okay, turn the current layer off, keep the on. Okay, tada. Okay, this one we can use this. This one. Okay, it's too big here, right? So you can adjust. Say 50. Nah, is it apa ni? Proportion? Is it 30? 30 is more proportion lah, Okay, close. See? Head lagi. Copy. Nah, dah siap. Front elevation. Tada! Okay, so for those who selected symmetrical design, you are very, very good because once you, let's say this is front, and then you want to design the rear, kan? The rear elevation. Your rear elevation is almost similar. You just can mirror it. You mirror it, and then you just change the window. Faham tak? Okay. So similarly, simple kan? Similarly, like if you want to draw to ni front, right, left. Okay, right. Okay. If you want to draw a line, normally what I did, I copy here first, copy, thumb, and then I rotate it. I rotate it, thumb. Is it right like this? Macam ni. Okay, let's say this one lah. Betul lah ni. This one kan? Ni rear. Ni rear. Okay, ni front. Oh, this one. Is it this one? Pening aku dah. Okay, ni. Lepas tu pergi pusing kat sini. This one. Okay, so similar concept. You draw the line. Macam tadi lah. Line, all line. Macam like how you draw the Baitijanati. You find the line. This is the wall line. Similar. Okay, so that is why if you take a look at this example here, you see the reason why it's like this. Because they want to draw like this. Of course, Of course, there are technique lah. Later I will teach you. But for you to design for you to draw the left, right, rear, front, you just use my technique. You just copy. And then to make you easy, to make you more, to make your work easier, so you just use the same level lah. Just use the same level means you from this you already determine, right? So this is your flow area kan. So this is your flow level kan. So this is your ceiling level. So you just use this same level. So later on you can use it more easier lah. It's more easier for you to draw your elevation, because why? Either it's left, right, front or rear. This is the highest point. This is the highest point of your roof. Faham tak? Okay, so you do it after this class. Okay, it's now 12:30. Okay, let's check our schedule. Our schedule is not here. Okay, I stop sharing first. Okay, first save. Save. And then I stop sharing here. Right, 5 minutes. I draw the elevation. In AutoCAD. Share the screen here. Check one. Okay, now let's take a look at our plan. Betul. This one. Okay, so now we are in week 4. Okay, we are behind schedule now. Supposedly last week we do the front, only today we do the front and rear, left, right. Okay, hatching, I done the hatching. Okay, now we are in week 4. Okay, so I need you set plan done, kan? Okay, so now I think one day you can finish 4 elevation because AutoCAD is very easy. Okay, so left, right. So by next week, in week 5, I will see either you can finish all the front, rear, left, and right or not. Then we can go for how to put your drawing in a block, in the title block. Pun dah settle, and then hopefully you can put all your floor plan on the side plan. Okay, elevation section, that one later on lah. Oh, ada lagi floor plan. Okay. So you finish your elevation first. Okay, so we are now in week 4. Okay, so you have to finish. You have to catch up. Finish up your front, rear, left, and right. So next week we will touch about hatching, line weight, layering, isometric, title block, and plotting. Okay. So we are okay. We all are okay before week 7 the submission. Okay. Boleh. We can catch up. I'm optimistic we can catch up. Okay, boleh tengok? Can you share your screen, Ikhwan?
I want to. I cannot hatching, sir.
Why?
Saya mula tekan.
Why you not draw the line, the center line? Ni, kat sini. Mana line kau? Itu yang tak ada tu. You have to draw a line. Nampak? Faham tak? Cuba buat satu line kat sini. Daripada ujung ke ujung. Cuba buat line kawan. Okay, sepatutnya line 1 tu dia kena daripada sini Wan. Your line supposed to be start from here at the center. So later on, if you have a center, then you have offset. So this one will be connected to that one. And then you offset it. Offset 100, 100 tadi, 50, 50. Okay, dapat? Start kan?
Lambat sikit tapi saya tengah buat.
Okay, cun. And then, apa lagi tadi? CHA lah kan? Chamfer kan? Chamfer deadline to deadline. Alhamdulillah. Syafiq okey, Fiq?
Okey je.
Sampai mana dah tu? Dah buat elevation ke?
Belum lagi, sama macam Ikwan.
Oh, masih dekat row. Oh, laginya saya. Tak apa. Kita man-man lai. Ruwaida. Tu. Okey, pergi belakang pula. Yang kat belakang pula. Kau tak buat line tengah. Macam mana nak hatching? Memang dia tak boleh baca.
Right.
Boleh? Okay, try. Now, try hatch.
Boleh juga.
H, try H. H. Okay, H. Jangan macam ni. Kau one kena zoom all dulu. Dia kena nampak semua. Okay, important here. If you want to H means you must you must see all this area that you want to H. Okay, H. Okay, H. Pam, space. Okay. Dah. Tu.
Belum.
Select object. H. Dah. Lambatnya komputer one ni. Ke waktu share screen dia jadi lambat?
Ikut.
Okay, H dah.
Hai.
Memang I request control. Request allow. Dah. Okay, wait Wait. Tak keluar apa? Lambat.
Kenapa?
Okey, ya. Ui, tu apa tu? Siapa buat line tu?
Tak tahu.
Jangan saya delete Saya delete. Mak ngai, saya tekan delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Jangan lambat delay ni. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Uish, lamanya. Okay. Okay, ya, saya delete. Nampaknya. Okay, cuba one delete tu. Delete line tu. Boleh, tak boleh?
Boleh.
Line 1 ni dia tak bersambung ni Wan. Kejap. Cuba zoom dekat line tu Wan. Cuba zoom dekat setiap. Zoom at every connection of your line. Try. Okay, bersambung. Okay, lagi pergi ujung sana. Ujung sana. Bersambung tak? Make sure dia bersambung semua. Make sure all the line is connected. Disconnecting. If
Sambung.
there are line like this, you cannot hatch them. Okay. Zoom all. Zoom all bagi nampak semua. Zoom. Okay, stop there. Alright. So I will press H. Stop. Tekan H pun lambat nak keluar. Macam mana nampak ni? H. Lambat lawan. Cuba tadi Ilya, where are you?
Control ke?
Tak dapat. Because your computer so late respond. See, after
Dah boleh ke? Dah
boleh dah. Boleh dah.
Dah boleh dah.
Nah, tu nampak. Okey. Hei, lambatlah komputer kawan.
Internet saya lambat.
Ilya, I want to see Ilya's roof. Ilya,
Okay.
Ilya. Mana dah Ilya? Ilya dah mana dah? Zahaba Aina. Ilya.
Yeah.
Cuba tengok roof Ilya. Roof Ilya tadi perfecto. Cuba share
I
screen.
haven't hatched it yet.
Try. See. Why? Oh, why? Why you not hatch it? Because I think your progress is very fast when you design your roof. You draw your roof.
I watch it first.
Oh, you watch it
hatch
first.
later.
Okay. Anis, okay, tak apa. Since Ilya is sharing, okay, try tengok. Sampai sini je. Tak berubah dari tadi. What are you doing?
Watching movie. Tak adalah.
Okay, try. Okay, kalau if you want to hatch your roof, Ilya, later on, first you have to off all the first. You have to off all the layer. Because why? Later on, if you not off the layer, let's say this one, right? A line here. If you hatch, it will hatch only this certain area only. If you hatch it only this certain area, you have to off all. Okay, try hatch first. Okay, try off all the layer. Unless for the line, but your roof here, you still not offset it. Nampak? You still not offset your roof because later on you must have a line here. You must have a line. So first you have to offset first. So later on you will have a line. Faham tak ya? Offset dulu. Cuba tu offset dulu. Offset 50 to 50. 50 left, 50 right.
50.
Apa ini? Okay. So you have to offset all first. Offset. Then later on you CHA. Is what I draw earlier lah. Okay, tak apa. Stop share, Ilya.
Okay.
So you do this later on. And then siapa lagi? Wait. Siapa lagi yang dari tadi ni? Balkis. How's your progress, Balkis? Halo, Balkis. Halo, Balkis. Nah, kan tu, Balkis lari. Halo. Balkis, are you there? This is a method of escape in online class.
Sir,
Okay, Hanan. Jom Hanan. Okay.
saya tak ni roof lagi. Sangkut kat roof.
Cuba. Share screen. Next week, I didn't draw the elevation. I just want to watch you draw the elevation. Because I just show you how to draw one elevation, and I hope that you all can draw the left, right, and rear. Earlier I just show you the how to draw a front elevation. So next week, I want to see you draw the plan. You draw the elevation. Mana dia, Hanan?
Dah share kan? Tak ada lagi.
Belum. Dia masih blank. Okay,
Dah.
stop balik. Stop share semula. When you share screen, you must click the screen you want to share and then click OK.
Nampak ke?
Nampak? Ui,
Okay.
ni. Kejap. Okay. Okay.
Betul ke?
Clear. Cun, dah nampak cantik dah.
Dah
Tapi macam roof si Ilya aja tadi ni. Sama korang copy plan yang sama ke? Kan? Macam roof Ilya aja tadi. Kan Anan? Tak. Lain sikit.
Dia ada subroof.
Yes, ada subroof itu. Okay, good. Okay, so your problem here, Ilya pula, Hanan, must draw another line here. So later on it will connect to here. Okay, here. Okay, this one later on you can delete this line. Okay, you also can delete this line. Okay dah tu, jadi dah. Apa lagi masalah? And then you draw the line here, pump. Macam ni. Okay dah tu. Okay, now I want you to off all this layer, off all this layer, wall layer, off. So you can focus on the roof line first. Roof line only.
Mana?
Off je semua. Tu yang kosong. Off. Even this one also you have to off. Off.
Foto.
Okay, good.
Apa?
Okay, before that, Lia. Lia lagi. Hanan, Hanan. Sebab you still have this. You have to draw this line first. Kat sini dulu. Okay, you copy this line. Pergi kat sini, dekat center sini. Dekat center sini. Copy. Copy this line. Copy that line first.
Copy line.
Ni this line.
Okay.
But I don't know where is your center line. Nak letak tadi. How about you nak letak kat mana ni? Kat sini tadi. Tidak tahu? Maybe.
Macam tu ke Syah?
Tak apa dah tu. Bukan, jangan copy yang tu.
Ni mirrorkan, boleh?
Boleh? Okay. Okay. Pump bawah.
No. Silap.
Tak. Take your time. Okay there. Alright. Then chamfer. Kedua-dua line tu. CHA. Escape dulu, escape. Okay, then click that line to that line.
Ini.
So next you have to offset 1000, tapi tak apalah. Anan boleh lukis je lah terus.
Ke sini. Okay.
Try draw. Sebab
Kalau draw straight line je boleh?
Boleh, tak ada masalah. Dia akan sengit tu.
Tak nak lah.
Biar lebih. Make it over because later on you can trim, because if you draw, you pick the line, I'm afraid it will not accurate. Okay, that one. Okay, go. Okay, then take the other one line there, from there. Yep. Line.
Chamfer.
No, not the chamfer. Line.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, go. Pump. See, this is perfecto roof. Okay, CHA. Then you can chamfer it.
Aku nak buat macam
Betul tu. Yang sebelah pula. Terror dah main trim.
Saya tak ni chamfer sangat.
Okay, then you draw ada line kat tengah tu. Line yang ni salah ni.
Ni.
Yang tu salah. Delete and then you draw a line there at the center there. Okay, tu reason. Okay, then you can off all layer. This one is first, before that, kejap-kejap. Yang tu, yang line tengah tu boleh trim that. You can trim that line at the center there.
Ni.
Yeah, no, wait, I draw Okay, this one. This line you can delete lah. You can chamfer this to this.
Oh.
This one to this. Okay, go. Dari luar, from outside. Okay, chamfer again, CHA. Then from there, okay, there to. Dah hilang dah line kau kat situ. Tak apa. Yang tu boleh off sebab yang tu line apron kan? Yes. Okay. So now you off all line. So you just remain only the roof line. Okay, off lagi. Off. Lagi. Itu roof tu jangan. Tu. Ni plaster tu. Ni semua.
Ada plaster.
Ni ada lagi satu yang on ni.
Oh ni.
Okay, jom. Okay, so now what you need to do, you offset. Because this you can delete this. You can delete this line already. You can delete this line. Okay.
Tak kena lah.
Kenapa tak bertampung? Yang ni tak perfecto. Kenapa tak perfecto tu? Ada masalah lah tu. Tapi tak apalah. Tapi, ya. Adalah ni, Anan tersalah copy ni. Kalau dia perfect tadi sepatutnya macam yang si, apa tadi tu? Ilya. Itu baru dia perfect. Yang macam ni dia tak perfect ni. Adalah something wrong. Dan Anan tercopy kat mana-mana line tu, jadi dia jadi line. Sepatutnya dia sama je tu. Okay, like this. Okay, you delete this line. Delete this. Okay, then you chamfer this again. Chamfer. This one. Okay, today. Okay, dah kan. Cuba zoom. Macam mana ada lagi kat situ. Cuba zoom. Tu delete. Okay, you draw a line here to there. Di sana. Okay, draw je, tak apa. Dia tak bersambung dah. Sambung tu? Tu, tak okay dah. Kan? Baru perfecto. See? With my touch. Now?
Lebih kurang Ilya.
Lebih kurang lah, kan? Cuma Ilya dia ada anak buah lagi sini sikit. Janganlah bagi sama, tak best lah sama, kan? Nanti saya bagi markah. Kalau 100, engkau 50, engkau 50. Okay, buatlah lain sikit, kan? Barulah mencabar. Okay, offset all left, right, 50-50.
Semua ni kan? Semua sikit satu ni?
Yes.
Okay. Saya buat dulu lah.
Kita buat satu dulu. Okay, I want you to do this first. Okay, cuba. And then try hatch it. Kalau lepas ni Anan dah boleh buat, saya dah boleh baik tidur. Okay, offset first. Okay, 50. Offset again. Apa tu? Offset. Okay, 50. Okay, space. Sebelah ni, yang tu. Okay, tu, bawah. Situ. Okay, yang tu tak payah. Because one. One. Okay. Okay, so later on, you can offset left and right. Okay, so let's say this one. Okay, you chamfer this first. Chamfer. Belum tu. Escape. Chamfer, CHA. Okay. There lagi. Kat sana, ujung sana, Anan. Okay, chamfer. Okay, pergi sana trim ni extend kan ataupun trim. Tu trim yang sana extend. Trim TR. Trim yang tu. Cantik. Okay, trim ujung tu. Okay, yang pergi sana extend, yang ujung sana extend. You extend at the ada.
Okay.
Extend. Because if this one if you not connect this later on your hatching will be problem. No. You EX. Escape first. EX. Select the line there. Tu boleh.
Okay.
Now H. Try H. Escape first, escape. Okay, H. Okay, pick that line, pick, boom. Pick lah kat situ. Okay, you select the pattern first. R-shape tadi. Mana R-shape? Bukan, lagi. Oh, atas. Ada one. Okay, then you adjust the, pandai pun. Okay, go. Adjust lah kat situ. Try 30. No, go. Okay, so that one is there kan. So later on if you want to copy, because that is falling up, go there, right? It's fall there. But if you want it fall there, so you have to change the angle.
Angle.
Okay?
Ni dah betul kan angle dia ke? Tak.
Betul. Cuba klik. Cuma yang tu sebab Hanan belum buat hatching kan? Bukan. Belum buat
offset.
Dia tak lawa. Sebab later on you will just can see the single line and then it's not really look like a proper drawing lah. Okay? So later on the concept is like that. You offset all first and then you chamfer it all and then you trim and then you extend the non-connected line and then you can hatch it like this. Okay?
Okay.
The layer and you may change it. You may change the color. Okay, Nan?
Alright.
Banjir ke kat belakang tu?
Gambar render.
Sungai apa tu? Sungai Kelantan. Kan?
Sarawak.
Sungai Sarawak. Wah, feel Sarawak Gallery kan. Okay, is anybody here have problem? Okay? Fi muskil lah. Ada masalah tak? Fahmi tak? Dah dengar suara Fahmi hari ni. Fahmi? Are you there, Fahmi? Semua tidur dah ni. Fahmi? Halo? Assalamualaikum, Fahmi? Fahmi ni yang korang panggil Jo kan?
Lukman, sir.
Oh, Lokman.
Pawi panggil Pawi.
Oh, Pawi. Khairul Pawi. Pandai buat nama orang. Nah, mana kau pergi ni, Pawi? Ada pun. Okey, kau share screen sikit, Fahmi? Panjang dia.
Saya tadi terkeluar, lepas tu tak ada line lama sikit. Lepas tu saya tertinggal.
So your progress apa? What's your progress?
Saya baru sampai roof.
Sampai roof. Cuba tengok roof. Cuba tengok sikit. Boleh share screen, Fahmi?
Tak tahu, line saya slow sangat.
You. Alright. Haris, okey Haris?
Sir?
Haris.
Okay.
Baik. Suara Haris tapi Dawa. Dawa nak ada apa masalah Dawa?
Tak apa, kalau tengok Aris dulu lah. Aris kalau dia ada masalah boleh.
Haris, ya Haris.
Ya, saya.
Saya nampak gambar kat bawah rupanya dekat situ. Kau buat magic Haris. Okey ke? Cuba share screen sikit. Tengok. Kau punya progress.
Okey, jap
Okay, good. Cuma Haris dia tak offline kan? Okay, better off. Sekejap, tengok macam mana kau punya roof ni. Roof ni. Dia ada masalah ni. Sekejap why? Satu masalah kat sini, tengok Okay, we take example of Haris roof. Okay, this one, okay. This one, okay. This one, okay. This one, not okay. Nampak? Dia tak betul-betul center. Nampak? Okay, lagi. This one pun not okay. Okay, if I were Haris, if I were you, okay, I will determine this is the main roof. This is the main roof. Sorry. Okay, this is the main roof. See earlier the principle of selecting the main roof ataupun ibu, the mother of roof, is we choose the bigger one. The bigger and the wider one. Okay, so if I were you, I will design the roof will be like this. Pam. Okay, so yang ni betul. So later on, you will have two subroof. This one subroof, and this one it can be one subroof. Okay, how to make this another subroof? Since your main roof is here, Harif, kan? Since your main roof is here, okay, so this one subroof, okay. This one I will make another subroof. Pam kat sini. And then kat sini. So later on it will be like this. Faham tak, Harif?
Oh, faham, sir.
Lebih cantik lah your elevation. That is why, guys, if you master the skill of designing roof, pitch roof like this, best. Later on, when you design, you look at your elevation. My roof is too plain. So you can adjust where you want to put a subroof, where you want to put the subroof, and then later on, your design will be boost, and then you have more variety of design and roof. Faham tak? If not, your roof just will look like only like a school roof lah. School roof which is just like this. Faham tak? Rather than you have another subroof here, and you have another subroof here. Kan? You want to make another double roof, that is another level lah. Kan? Okay, Rin? Yang ni problem ni, yang ni tak betul ni. Cuba nanti betulkan. Later you make a correction based on my suggestion. Okay, so your roof later on will be here. Okay, so this is your main roof. And then you have another subroof here. You have another subroof here. Dia macam ni. Dia akan sambung macam ni. Lebih cantik lah, lebih comel. Faham, Arif?
Faham, sir, faham.
Think when you draw the roof line, you shoot off your layer. You shoot off this layer first. Because later, if you want to make a hatching, it will problem. It will trouble you to do the hatching because the hatching cannot read many lines. If you draw like this only, then hatching is easy. If you draw a line like this, there's no any other line inside here. You can try. If you not believe, you can try. Later on, you can try hatch with this layer on. You can try. So you can see the problem as what I mentioned to you. Faham? Faham, Arif? Alright. So last one. Another one. Yes, Dawa. Dawa?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, dah. Jom. Apa ada masalah ke tadi?
Ada masalah, saya tak mengenal pasti rupanya.
Okay, jom share. Mari kita kenal pasti sama-sama. Oh ini senang aja ini. Ini saya tahu ini huruf ini huruf M. Okay, cuba zoom sikit.
Roof bahagian depan ni.
Okay, tak apa. Memang pergi kat situ. Kalau ikut sangat nanti susah juga. Okay, macam mana tu. Okay, jap. Okay, macam ni. Alright. Cuba zoom out tengok ni. Kita kena first, the principle is we have to determine where is the largest roof that can become the main roof. Okay. Okay, kejap. Okay, macam ni senang. Macam dawa punya ni. Like dawa ni, if I were dawa, cuba zoom sikit nak tengok wall, your wall. Okay, jap. Off. Okay, this is good. Okay, this is which you try to use this and this as a main roof, kan? Okay, this is good. Okay, so you try this as a main roof. Okay, then you do this. Okay. Then this one here. Okay, faham. Okay, this one here. Sini nanti dia akan naik kat sini. You will go up here. Okay, you remember this line, right? Okay, faham. Okay, so ni pun kat sini. Oh, dia kat sini. Kat sini. Okay, so nanti later. Betul lah ni. Okay, what Dawa did is right. Okay, the only problem here is this row. Sekejap okay. Wait. Okay, this row. Okay, this row. Okay, dia buat kat sini. Okay. So, Dawa akan ambil roof kat sini kan? Sini, sini, dan sini dan sini. Betul ni. Okay, ni betul lah. Dawa buat ni betul. Okay, then later on kat sini Dawa kena buat macam ni. Ni. You take this 145 degree ya. Okay, because kat sini. Okay, and you can continue. Okay, this one 45, this one also 45, and then this roof will connect to here. So nanti dia akan macam ni lah. Okay, clear that one and this one clear. Okay. The only problem here is this. Okay, this is actually simple. Okay, this one you may, okay, let's say this one. Okay, this one. Okay, sambung, okay, you can sambung here. Okay, this one sambung here. This one sambung here. Okay, but this roof, if you want to make another roof, it must be at the upper level. Upper level means your wall here later on, you must raise the wall here. You must raise the wall here. Okay, the wall here you must raise. Means later on, you can start, it will connect to this roof. Okay, it will connect to this roof. This is the main roof. It will connect, and then can go here, and go here, and go here. But this roof is at a higher level. But this roof at the lower level. Like this. Faham tak? So this what I meant by you must raise up the wall here. This wall here. This one here. Dia kena tinggi. Faham tak? You got it, Dawa. So this, okay, I choose different color. So this one later on, this wall here kat sini, you raise it up. You raise. You raise. You raise this. So means you have another roof here. Okay, but this one later on have a problem lah. You have collecting water, but it's okay. This is not design subject. This is a drawing subject. You can just design first because that doesn't matter as long as you can understand how to design a roof lah. Faham tak? So your roof later on will be like this lah. Okay, will be like this. Macam ni. Okay, macam ni. This one. Okay, pergi sini. Dia sambung ke sini tapi later on this roof is another level. But still can connect to this main roof. Tak, cuba tengok elevation. Sama tak? Kalau tak sama, it's okay. Kita buat yang macam ni. Cuba tengok your elevation. Can we see your reference elevation? See? Nampak tak? Nampak. Still connected with the main roof. Tapi macam tadi kita nak buat macam ni kan? Okay, like this, dia buat satu je lah. Then okay, no problem. Tak ada masalah. Cuma dia ni ke depan sikit. Yang ni dia ke belakang sikit. Also no problem. As long as you understand how. Okay, faham? Faham dah?
Thank you, sir.
Alright, welcome. Okay, so now it's already 1. I need to bring my son to go for vaccination in Gombak. Masya Allah, daripada ulangan nak ke Gombak. 1 hour, including jam 2 hour. Pulang balik 4 jam. Masya Allah, petang baru sampai rumah. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, diam tak ada lah tu kan. Okay, so after this, I will share with you the exit ticket. Please fill up the exit ticket because afternoon I will close, I think not afternoon, 2 p.m. I will close it. Okay, so after I share the exit ticket link, you immediately fill it up and then I will turn off the response 2 p.m. Okay, so okay. So after this, you can go back. You can go back. You are now no need to go back. You are now in the home. Now you're in your home. After this afternoon, you have a class with Bro Fadli. And then after that, maybe during the next session, depend. Just find your own time to practice this CAD. Because to master this CAD skill, you have to repeat. Repetition is the master of skills. Okay. Make sure you already imprinted in your mind how to draw this, how to draw this, how to draw this. That's why you have to repeat. Okay, that's all I think. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Ada apa soalan? Tak ada? Okay, then we
Ada.
Session with Tasbih Kifarah and Surah Wal As. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And on Thursday. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Terima kasih.
Balkis dari tadi tak ada. Memang jauh pergi Balkis ni. Kirim salam kat Balkis. Alright, welcome. Bye bye semua.